Continuing chapter 5, varieties of nayikas, or heroine lovers of Krishna and Vrindavan, especially the gopis, specifically the gopis. We're discussing nine types of nayika bhav, or the loving moods of Krishna's gopi lovers like Radharani and others. So now we discussed already avisarika bhav. This is a traveling lover who goes out, she runs out of her house to meet Krishna at some appointed meeting place, at a kunj or on the banks of the Yamuna. And we discussed that's the avisarika nayika, and we discussed the vasik saja nayika. She is the hopeful waiting lover. She's gone to the kunj, the appointed meeting place. Somehow Krishna's not there, so she's waiting for him. And while she's waiting, she decorates herself nicely, adjusts everything perfectly. And she enjoys telling her sakhis about her pastimes with Krishna. She looks continually for Krishna's arrival, looks continually down the path, and she yearns to enjoy amorous pastimes. That's the Vasik Saja Nayaka.